In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your Google Chrome to be able to install unverified isolated web apps on your Mac, Windows, Linux, or operating system. So if you have ever wanted to download or install any application on your computer, but you are unable using Google Chrome, then you need to go ahead and enable this isolated web app developer mode. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is to go and open your Google Chrome browser, and as you can see, I'm on my Google Chrome browser here. From here, head over on top here to the search menu and then search for Chrome // and then flags, just like that, and then hit enter. And this will take you to this experiment, and you have here quite a number of features that you can experiment with, or you can try out and apply on your browser, and they'll be applied and they just work well. So I like to go ahead and look for that isolate web feature or isolate developer feature. So I'll go ahead and search here isolate, and you can see we have here it is enable isolated web app developer mode, and this will help us or enable us install unverified isolated web apps. So go ahead and click on it and then enable, just like that, and then go ahead and click on relaunch to be able to apply your changes. And when we go ahead and do it, you can see now our features has been enabled, and therefore from now henceforth, if you go ahead and try and download any application that could not be installed, it should be able to be installed on your Mac, Windows, Linux, or Chrome operating systems. If you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.